What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and going over why you shouldn't fear. You guys, the biggest move is yet to come, and I'll go into a little bit of the details about why that is. But before we get started, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. Once I reach 50,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a VIP to one of those lucky subscribers. As well as sharing these videos with your friends. If you're getting value out of them, I genuinely appreciate every time that I get a like, a subscriber, a comment, a share. All those things really help me grow my channel, which in turn allows me to provide more value for you guys more consistently and more regularly. So with that being said, you guys, I really want to encourage you guys to open your mind as to how that value is received. I'm going to be making not only videos on here, I have a couple websites being developed currently, some projects even aside from just only the high altitude site, some stuff that I'm very excited about. And I can't really get into too many details right now because it's all very secret. But as I start to open up about more of these things, get ready, get excited, because there's some really awesome projects, some big stuff coming. And I've kind of mentioned it a few times, but be ready and be watching for that. So before we get too detailed into all of that stuff though, let's open up Bitcoin and let's talk about the market. Bitcoin is currently valued at $10,500 per Bitcoin. And if we go to coinmarketcap.com, we can look at all the different various cryptocurrencies, and as you guys can see, there's about 7,000 different markets right now, or cryptos I mean right now, and 29,000 different markets. So that's really impressive. That means that there's different exchange pairs, 29,000 different ones. You can trade Bitcoin for Tezos, Link for Ethereum, all these different pairs, and that's why there's 29,000 markets. So this is a very big developing space, but still, even with that many different cryptocurrencies and that many people into cryptocurrency as a whole, we only have 331 billion in total market capitalization. So when I see a day like this where the prices are dropping, where stuff is down 3%, stuff is down 10%, and everybody's panicking, everybody's scared, I have to ask myself, how grounded in reality are they? And the only way to really know how grounded in reality they truly are is to stop looking at these tiny time frames, stop caring about this 24-hour movement, and care about what's actually happening. You know, click on the total market capitalization and see the all-time view of price, because the all-time view of price is quite undervalued from its previous peak, even still, years after the bear market bottom in 2018. So there's so much development happening in this space right now. The cryptocurrency market is absolutely mind-blowing. The expansion of this market has just started. The short-term price action is bankers trying to get you to sell your Bitcoin where they are buying. And that's what this $10,500 price level really is. So I'm personally watching support. There's major support at 9,000, there's major support at 10,000, and there's another major support zone at about 8,000. That would be kind of the biggest, most worst case scenario. The biggest drop would be 8,000 for me. But either way, this whole range is, as you guys can see, this downtrending resistance line that I have drawn here on Bitcoin, this big black downtrending resistance line is now support. So long as we reclaim that support and continue developing the trend, which I completely expect us to, because of that big picture that we're talking about here, this triangle breakout, the development of the total market capitalization, the altcoin season that has really proved to start here as we break major resistance and accumulate onto it as support. There's a million reasons to be long crypto. There's a million reasons to expect the market to break out. So all the short-term price action equals buying opportunity. 10% drop, buying opportunity. 20% drop, buying opportunity. And that's what I have to bring to the table for you guys, is to eliminate your fear. The media wants you to be scared right now. Everybody on, whether it's conspiracies, there's just a million places, a million things that want you to be scared right now. But guess what? Human fear is exactly what the adversary feeds off of. So the people that want you to lose your money, the people that want you to put money into these markets and then never pull money back out of them, are the same people that are creating mass chaos, mass fear across the board, across the world right now as we speak, disguising goodness as despising evil as goodness. Whether it's conspiracies telling you that all of this negative stuff, trying to get you to indulge in fear. Guess what? Every time you watch something that creates fear within you, you're giving them your power. And therefore, you are giving them your keys to your matrix. And when they have your keys to your matrix, they then have complete totalitarian control over every single aspect of you as a person. So it is our duty as people to do everything we can to eliminate that fear and to do the right thing, to handle our stuff, to handle everything in order, in line, genuinely in line, which is something we all have to work on. I'm still working on it as we speak. Set these things in order so that you don't give your keys to these to people that want to control you, to have power over you, to create fear within you, and to therefore force things upon you. That's what I have to say in today's video. I'll go out and say it. I'll take the risk. I genuinely believe that one of my purposes in this life is to be true and blunt about your own personal freedoms. As a human being, you were born with them. And there's certain organizations that want to take them away from you right now. And if you give them that power, they will. And they use fear to do this. But bullish is Bitcoin. And bullish is the crypto markets. But just be aware of the reality of the situation. And I'm telling you this to liberate you from it. This is actually a very positive thing. This is a very positive thing. But yes, you guys, there's fear spreading right now. The smartest thing to do if you're an intelligent human being that wants to pull money back out of the market, that wants to provide for your family, invest, protect your family, protect your kids' future, your colleges, all of those things, investing inside of the cryptocurrency space as a whole through whatever means you want, financially, emotionally, not in coins, but time, creating projects. That's how you can invest into this space, and that's how you can make a turnaround. It doesn't have to always be financial. You could create your own project. You can be part of the space. You can make a YouTube channel, but I encourage you guys to become part of the cryptocurrency network because it's a beautiful thing and it brings people together. And in my view, cryptocurrency is the thing that will bring to pass, or at least it's a seed, it's a hope that I have that we can potentially live in a better world in the future. One without the chaos, one without the control, one without people having keys to your matrix, trying to control you with fear. No, we want to see people walking down the road happy. We want to see people smiling. We want to see people communing together. We want to see families. We want to see friends coming together, all of that. We don't want to see separation. So that's what my video is about today, you guys. Bitcoin, big picture, fully expect us to break out. You guys already know that I expect the altcoin market to break out. As you guys can see, it looks exactly like Bitcoin did in 2015. So we're having a repeat. This is the same story told again, just in a different way. Yes, you guys, Bitcoin does look a lot like Microsoft did in its first cycle. And yes, I do fully expect Bitcoin to see another cycle upwards past major resistance, just like I talked about in today's video. And that could easily take us to 100,000 per coin, which I've talked about on my channel for I don't even know how long now. But yeah, you guys, make sure you're a subscriber, follow me, share this video with your friends, join the Discord group, links are in the description. It's completely free. There is a VIP section, which I'm really proud of. And I will be sharing this video in the Discord group here in a few minutes as well. So make sure that you guys check that out. Links are in the description for more details on VIP or for the free areas in the Discord or my social medias. Reach me through there. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Stay faithful, stay strong. Understand there's a lot of money to be made. This is just another day, another red day inside of a huge bullish market, inside of a bright future for humanity. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.